Minnie Max. Hi. Hey, Minnie Max. He's a good puppy. He's a pretty puppy. Who's the kids here? Who's the kids here? Oh, let's try and get everybody in there. Hi. Hi, little guy. There, it's Minnie Max. There he is. What a handsome guy. And he's got blue eyes. There he is. See, who was this? There. This is Flash. Say hi, Flash. Hi, Flash. Hi, Flash. Show him a cute face. He's a cute boy. He's a cute little boy. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh, this is Fat Emma. Hi, Fat Emma. Hi, Fat Emma. Hi, sweetie. She's so pretty with her little blue eyes. She's so pretty with her little blue eyes. Yeah, you're so cute in your little fursuit. Yeah. Where's your little brother? There. There he is. He's not little anymore. Did I get the right puppy? Yep, that's you. There he is. He's not little anymore. That's Duster. He's the same size as his sister, I suppose. And he's pretty good on his legs. He's a nice puppy. He's a nice puppy. And he says I'm pretty active. Yeah, I'm pretty active. Give him a face shot. There he is. Oh, where's the Coco? Where's the Coco girl? There's Coco. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. Hi, Coco. Another blue-eyed girl so far. I think they're gonna all be blue-eyed. Hey, so pretty. Hey, you're so pretty. Show me your cute little face. And your cute little markings. See your cute little markings. Yeah. He's so pretty. Let's see who else we got in here. Oh. There. There's Sooty. I think. That's a girl. That's a girl. Because I'm getting some brown on me now. I think I'm going to look like Mommy with a dark face. And little white feet. Yeah. Oh, we need another puppy here. Oh, we gotta get another puppy. There is the little black boy. I think. Did I get a boy? Did I get you mixed up again? No, that's a boy. And I'm even blacker than my sister. There. There. because you're getting talkative now. Okay. You got your blanket all ruffled up here. Come on, guys. Let me get that fluffed up for you here. Here, why don't we get the green side up here? There we go. That's better. That's good. Okay, that's good. Get you guys up on here. Oh, yeah, that's fun under there. Fun under there. There we go. Okay, there. I think we got everybody. I think we got everybody. Everybody's sitting with our blankets. It's nice and clean. Everybody's got their bums to it. Except Duster. Oh yeah. Yeah, bite that finger. Bite that finger. Yeah, yeah. That's that Duster. Hey, Duster. Yeah. Oh no, that's it, Emma. That's Duster. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, say good night, Dick.